Hey, this is Eva again with Once Upon a Timeline. Welcome, fellow Mandelians. Today we have even more crazy animal behavior. Apparently, birds are intentionally starting fires in order to catch prey. This is hard to believe, but apparently they're flying down, clutching burning twigs, and carrying them to different locations in order to spread fires. Obviously, this is kind of a problem when people are trying to prevent fires and you have birds spreading them. I got this one again from Sagittarius Craig on a post on Retcon. Here's the post right here. New Emmy animal behavior. Birds intentionally start fires. He links to various websites. There's a lot of articles on this. This one's from Newsweek. Birds like this black kite near a fire in northern Australia may be able to spread wildfires, new research suggests. There's apparently two kinds of birds doing it, the black kite and some kind of falcon. It's long been thought that only humans use fire as a tool and that wildfires get started either because of lightning or people. But new research suggests that at least two varieties of bird may be able to intentionally spread fire to benefit themselves. So they got a bunch of research from different Aboriginals and the local firefighters, and they all say that this happens. Black kites and brown falcons are doing this, transporting embers or burning material from one location to another to start fires and flesh out prey. Pretty weird, and there's quite a few articles about this. Sagittarius Craig said that he saw it in the news this morning, so this is the latest. Arsonist falcons in Australia. You just can't make this stuff up. This is Eva signing off for Once Upon a Timeline.